Hello guys, welcome back to another English lesson. For today we are going to talk about three phrases that you maybe use them a lot and most common ones that you must know them. So, and I will try to translate it in Kurdish as well. Okay, for today we have this phrase which means, it's not phrase actually, it's a phrasal verb. أما phrasal verb call off means cancel. Okay, wherever you use call off means cancel. Kata call off means watachi wata shtekal bullshit or shtekanekit. Bonmuna. Let's call off the meeting. Ataba kobunoka haboshino and ushtaneki. Okay, so call off means cancel. Okay, second one, duamzanen, make your mind. Okay, if someone tell you make your mind. So alkasek beauty, make your mind, watachi. Means make decision, make your decision. Make your mind. يعني شي make your decision. Okay, example. I can't make up my mind where to take my vacation. Okay, يعني شي أنا ناتوان مبرر بمكا holiday vacation كم لكيوبكم. Okay, so make your mind means make your decision. Make your decision. Okay, let's go to another one. Hang in there. If it means do not give up. Okay, yeah, it means do not stop on something. Keep trying, continue trying. Hang in there wata komada berdawamba. Example, hang in there, you will get a good mark. Okay, يعني شي جملة به وما كلمة درجة باشا هنيت. Okay, so this was a lesson about for today. See you in the next videos.